am Aletha with WTI. I am working hard to make sure that my pet's skin, joints, and coat stay nice and healthy. And with this is the Native Pet Omega Oil that helps to keep the skin, hair, and joints well. I love it. It is a fish oil, and the smell makes them go wild. They love it, they love it, they love it. I have to just only put a few squirts into the bowl of their dog food and just mix it around, and they eat it all up. It has all natural ingredients. That's one of the things that I really love about it. I've been using it for a while, and I can already see that their hair and their skin is nice and shiny. So what I really love about the Native Pet Omega Oil is that it's 8 ounces. So there's 118 pumps per bottle, so the bottle lasts a long, long time. So the Omega Oil by Native Pet is my #1 go-to to help promote healthy hair, skin, and joints. So there's no soy, no dairy, no gluten, no artificial ingredients. Your pet will love it, mine does. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.